Hello everyone. Does anyone really make money through dropshipping on Shopify? In dropshipping, does anyone really make money? This question is most of the people are thinking. Dropshipping on Shopify can still make money. But you have not learned how to dropshipping on Shopify properly. That's the reason. We will see this in brief in this video. Shopify can make money. Maybe 8 out of 10 Shopify stores are failed because they are not doing the proper marketing and proper approach to reach the audience. Here in this video, we will see the 8 major reasons and possibilities why they fail. If you do this correctly, these points, if you check your store and analyze and optimize your store according to these points, surely you can get more sales and you can make your site bigger in very short period. The first point, no experience, marketing entirely on their own will. No experience, marketing entirely on their own will. If you selected a niche and promoted it in your store, you must have some knowledge, previous experience. Then only you can survive that business, right? Not only in online. In offline business also we need some experience to make success that business. So the experience is a matter. It may be a few months to few years, that's not an issue, but you need a experience. Then only you can fine tune your store and can give best to your customers. So if you're not already an experience, you can learn. Another major fault most of the sellers are doing, marketing entirely on their own will. They're not going with the market and trends. They think some products it will be reach most of the audience. For example, the natural medicines. Some sellers are saying the natural medicines everyone likes. So this type of product will be sell more and more. So they created a store for the natural medicines, say remedy products. But the real fact is different. They can't achieve the goal on their estimated time period because they wrongly judge their customers. That's why some analytical tools are available. We can use that to choose the right products. I will show you one best analytical site that's called Seller Center. sellercenter.io. In this website, you can get the information about all Shopify stores, AliExpress, Amazon stores. So you can see how many products that particular store have and what are the categories they have. So what are the best selling Shopify stores available right now? You can see it by country wise and year wise. This is the very best tool you can use. So seeing other successful sites, you can optimize your store to the live market. So this is the first point you need to consider. The second point, unclear audience positioning. What does it mean? Unclear audience positioning. This is advertisement you put on the not targeted audience. You spend money for advertisements, but your targeted audience are not right. For a simple example, you are selling sunglasses. Your targeted audience are above 50 or 60 age group. So this type of mismatching if you advertise your products to the right customers, you can easily get the more sales, right? For this point, if you expertise and if you learn, you can easily get more sales. Otherwise, you can't make money from dropshipping or any other business. I give you two analytical sites for this purpose. That's AdCostly. AdCostly. Then ad targeting. You can use this analytical tool. AdCostly is a very best tool. You can review the Facebook ads cost. It's maybe a CPM or CPC, CPA or all available ad format. You can see the data, the real data, what the trends going on Facebook. It's completely an advertiser point of view. So you can optimize your ad campaigns to the right audience. Ad targeting also similar tool. You can get lot of information from these tools, these analytical tools. Once you gain knowledge from these tools, you can sharpen your advertising approach. You can plan your advertising strategy from the live data. The third point, advertising costs are too expensive. I heard a lot of Facebook advertisers, the new beginners, spending more money on Facebook for advertising for the keywords. So you need a live data. Which type of keywords are very less competitive and can easily grab more visitors? If you selected a good product, 100 visitors is enough to make good sales. On the other hand, if you not selected a good product, maybe 1,000 or 10,000 visitors are not enough to make a sale. So choosing a product is a key. First, you select a product very less competitive and can easily advertise in Facebook. I suggest to Facebook because Facebook is a beginner friendly. You can start your advertising campaign through Facebook. After that, you can switch over to any other advertising platforms. By using these online analytical tools, ad targeting and ad costly. You can select the right keywords and right ad formats for your products. The next point, bad project decisions. We need to target the right products to the right customers, and we select the products for long term. This is a part of brand building. Once you select the products for your store on long term basis, you can fine tune your ad campaigns. After some attempts, you can gain more visitors and start selling. It's not only a Shopify seller. If you are an Amazon seller, there is some analytic tools available. For example, if you are an Amazon seller, I suggest you to use amz.com. From this tool, you can research which products are hotly selling in Amazon. You can find the high potential products, so you can promote the winning products in your store. You can sell the Amazon products in Shopify itself. So dropshipping you can do. Yes, Amazon or AliExpress, that's not an issue, you can choose, but the product is the matter. The next point you consider, poor quality shops never make money. You create your store eye-catching and very simply and very user-friendly shop. User-friendliness is a very important factor to determine get a new visitors. Of course, the new visitors only make sales, make purchase. So better to optimize your store display and design issues. Once you optimize your store design issues, that's bring more visitors to your store from your ad campaigns. The next point, customers do not look back. Most of the stores, some cases getting more visitors, but the visitors are not come back. So here is something wrong happens on that particular store. Maybe the provided information is wrong, or they are promote wrong products. There is some possibilities on loading issues, not a mobile friendliness. So we need to analyze these points. Why our return customers percentage is very less? So once we optimize our store according to our analytics, we can gain more visitors. The next thing you need to consider, any delivery issues you are facing in your store. Any delivery issues are there. Once you received your order, but the customer not received the product in time, what will happen next? That particular customer raise a dispute and asking for refund. So we need to avoid these issues. To avoid delivery issues, you must choose the dropshipping supplier in your country, because the delivery time, if it takes longer shipping time, the customer raising a dispute, there's a high percentage possibility there. For example, you are running a dropshipping store, you are promoting AliExpress products. The main disadvantage of AliExpress is the delivery time is very high. They takes more than 20 days from China to US. Or any other country also they will take this time. If your targeted customers are in US, why not you use Pocket? Because their delivery time is very less compared to AliExpress. So you concentrate on avoiding the delivery issues. It will increase your sales. The next point I want to say, helpless customers as assistants. Good customer support can avoid lot of refunds. If you respond to your customer properly in time, you can avoid lot of problems. Customer support is very important. If you fail in this area, that's very hard to make good sales from your store. See, lot of online tools have their customer support. They will provide a best service for them. They will give very high priority for the customer assistance. So check these 8 points where your store is missing. Once you optimize that particular point, you can surely make money from dropshipping. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching. See you on next video. Bye.